Let's begin our payroll section by talking about setting up payroll. Let's come in here to Employees, Employee Navigator, and let's come down to Set Up Payroll. Here we're going to use this payroll setup wizard to go through the steps to set up our payroll. Remember back to our first series of sessions when we followed the easy step interview for setting up our company? This is similar. It'll ask us for what it needs when it needs it. The first thing we need to do is talk about some payroll options. Intuit and QuickBooks offer 3 different payroll options that integrate with our QuickBooks software. We have to select one of these options, or else we'll have to prepare payroll by hand. Each one of these options can include, for an additional fee, electronic deposit of payroll checks to our employees. Let's briefly discuss each one of these options. Basic payroll, or now this is called do-it-yourself payroll. This is where you use QuickBooks to process payroll checks, calculate withholdings, and pay payroll taxes yourself. Deluxe payroll, you process the payroll checks for your employees. You integrate online with Intuit, and with each payroll run, Intuit will draft your checking account for all payroll tax liabilities. Intuit will then take care of all tax payments and all filings and guarantee that it's done correctly. Complete Payroll is a fully outsourced payroll. It offers integration with QuickBooks. So in other words, it's similar to ADP and Paychex payroll services, with the added feature of every time there's a payroll run, information is automatically downloaded into your QuickBooks software. Throughout this training session, we're going to be following the basic payroll setup.